Hi, today we are gonna see about synonyms for various words. First one is happy. Various words: joyful, content, delighted, pleased, cheerful. Next, sad. Various words: unhappy, sorrowful, melancholy, gloomy, despondent. Next, big. Various words: large, huge, enormous, massive, gigantic. Next, small. Various words: tiny, petite, miniature, little, compact. Next, good. Various words: excellent, great, fine, superb, outstanding. Next, bad. Various words: poor, terrible, awful, abysmal, horrible. Next, fast. Various words: quick, rapid, swift, speedy, prompt. Next, slow. Various words: sluggish, leisurely, gradual, languid, plodding. Next, beautiful. Various words: attractive, lovely, stunning, gorgeous, pretty. Next, ugly. Various words: unattractive, plain, unsightly, hideous, repulsive. Next, angry. Various words: furious, enraged, irate, wrathful, incensed. Next, calm. Various words: serene, peaceful, tranquil, composed, unruffled. Next, smart, in terms of intelligence. Various words: intelligent, clever, bright, sharp, genius. Next, stupid. Various words: foolish, dumb, ignorant, senseless, witless. Next, rich, in terms of wealth. Various words: wealthy, affluent, prosperous, well off, opulent. Next, poor, in terms of wealth. Various words: impoverished, needy, deprived, penniless, destitute. Next, tired. Various words: exhausted, fatigued, weary, drained, worn out. Next, energetic. Various words: dynamic, vigorous, lively, spirited, animated. Next, kind. Various words: benevolent, compassionate, considerate, generous, sympathetic. Next. Mean. Various words. Cruel, malicious, unkind, nasty, vindictive. Next. Brave. Various words. Courageous, fearless, bold, valiant, heroic. Next. Cowardly. Various words. Timid, fearful, craven, faint-hearted, tremulous. Okay. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.